Atiya for at least 15 years, but I haven't really been close to her. I did my first fashion week walk for House of Masaba. First impression of Masaba, I thought she was extremely intimidating. Before I knew her, I feel like I thought she was a bit arrogant. She's honestly one of the warmest, kindest, and funniest people I know. She's really real. She's authentic because I think I can talk to her about anything and I can depend on her. Okay, so Masaba and I are very similar. We are exactly the same. We're extremely intuitive people in the way we look at family. We trust our gut, assessment of fashion and beauty, and we read people really well. The best friendships, the best relationships are ones where you don't have to perform. Her courage and her ability to have so much self-confidence and conviction in herself, and hopefully that slowly rubs off on me. I think for me, Masaba was my only go-to person because she had her baby 6 months before me. So how has the definition of getting dressed and getting ready changed for you after motherhood? Like, I look for easier things and easier products. That's why when you sent me this giant hamper, the first thing I started using was the 5-in-1 BB cream. And I love it because it's more skincare. And I like skincare. I love skincare. And I think she's also got great skin. So I feel like she understands what works for her. Yeah. And what I liked about it is that it's just one product that just fixes everything for you. I only have 90 seconds in life. I think, yeah. Yeah, I feel like this is something I've been using since its launch. Just the 4-in-1 blurring serum tint. I like it because I have very textured skin. So I feel like I need something that blurs my pores a bit.
Can you pick a love child shade that's totally her?
Thak gayi. Yeah. On her t-shirt and in life. And in life. I feel like it's so apt, and I remember when we were talking about this and you said, I'm going to make this t-shirt, and I'm like, just tattoo it on my forehead. She says thak gayi and then she will do 80 different things in one day. Wait, you're not a coffee drinker, na? She's a chai drinker. So hence, she's chai khari. So I'll tell you why chai khari for her, because I think for her skin tone, because I understand Indian skin tones, glaze, tint, sort of not too much of a solid lip color. Yeah. Yeah, she's just like a chill girl. She's just like chai piyenge, khari khayenge, snacks khayenge. Or so jayenge. So jayenge. That's it. I was having so much fun.